So, not that long ago, I got the new DJI Mini 4 Pro and have been absolutely loving it. Blast to fly and everything, but I was looking for a better case. The case that it comes with is fine and all, but something that's gonna be easier to just toss in the back of my vehicle or whatever, or take with me, and I don't have to wrap this up maybe if I don't want to, or whichever. But today we're taking a peek at two cases from Skyreat. They're hard-sided case and they're semi-hard. It's, you know, soft-sided. It's not a rigid plastic, but it is still protective. And so this is kind of the protective and then super protective version of Skyreat's cases. So let's bring it in here. Let's see how the drone fits in both cases, and we'll go from there. Okay, so first up is the softer, semi-soft, semi-hard case from Skyreat. This one runs $29.99 on Amazon. Links will be in the description for both of these cases. But we do have nice specific segment out areas for each item. So we have the charger here that can go sideways with batteries in it, which is nice. The controller itself will go in down here. However, we will want to remove and store these. I'm going to set these off to the side for now, but you know where they go on the back side. And then the drone itself, which I found that you can just collapse the drone. You don't have to put this on there, or you can put this on there. Either way, it will work if you want to be more protective. But if you want to have it quicker in and out, simple stuff, you don't have to technically put this on, but you just have to be a little bit more delicate with it. And then there is a space here for a USB-C charging block that you can put in here. And then of course you can just stick the cables up in here. Right now I also have some propellers for the drone up here as well. But you can see overall it fits everything really, really wonderfully. It does come with the strap and everything. And yeah, so that is the $29.99 I guess semi-soft, semi-hard case from Skyreat. Now I've used this one once already. I just haven't used the shoulder strap, which I threw back in here. There it is. So it does come with a shoulder strap. If you need to use this, it just pops on the outside there, and we'll show you that here in a second. It goes on the side over here, like so. And then when you shut it, it holds it in place. So it's quick and easy to take this on, or put it on or take it back off, just with these metal clips, just like that. So that's that. That said, as you can see here, a little bit different in how everything is designed in this guy. First of all, the controller, when it goes in, I can actually leave the knobs on. It's not actually going to interfere with this. The foam up here doesn't put too much pressure on it. And so as I've been using this one, I have not been taking the knobs off the controller. Also, with this one, we actually have individual battery storage, as well as the charger storage. And then this guy, of course, I understand I'll probably still use it, but no going in, you don't have to use it, right? That's the nice thing about this, is it's not a necessity. This is definitely more protective. This one runs $49.99 from Skyreat, and it's a hard plastic full protective case. So this has been the one I've been grabbing recently. I just use it by the handle. I don't use the shoulder strap, like I said, at least so far. And I just toss it in the trunk of my car, and then when I get to where I'm gonna fly it, hey, good to go, ready to roll. So that is this two storage solutions from Skyreat. And I didn't really mention before the shoulder strap for this. It is just a clip-on, so you can remove it from this bag as well, and it also has a handle, so I didn't mention that. Comes down to it, they're both solid. I've used both of them. I like both of them. I prefer this one if I'm not trying to travel or carry it around with me. If it's just going in the vehicle and it's gonna just pop in and out of the vehicle, this is the one I prefer. So the $50 one is definitely the one I go for. However, if I'm leaving the vehicle and walking around with it, that's when I prefer this one, because this one's a little bit lighter. It's not gonna bang around as much. I really do like this case. Downside, like I said though, you're gonna wanna take the control sticks off of the controller. At least I haven't found a good way to put them on there, so that's what it is. So yeah, that is the 2 cases from Skyreat. Both awesome options, and yeah, I can't say that one is my favorite. I like both of them, and I've used both of them, so I'm gonna continue to use both of them. Thank you for watching to the end of the video, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know if there's a case that you prefer down in the comments. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you back here on techgooch for another future video review. See you soon.